uploaded it was somehow, and I'm not going to delete that video. I will not have. I made it. I made my first video. Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Sherrybel Olasumbo. How are you guys doing? How is everything? Let's get started. I've dropped some of things I know people want to know about me. I've made mention of my name. I'm from Nigeria. Yes, Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm a Nigerian based in Lagos. But from Kogi State. Yes, Kogi State. Yoruba part of Kogi State. Ijumu local government. Iyamoye town, to be precise. Kindly tell me the town and where you're watching me from comment section. And please kindly like my video, subscribe to my channel. These are the things that motivate new YouTubers and encourage them to make more videos. Another question that I know you might want to know is why I started YouTube. Yes, the reason why I started YouTube is, guess, to teach. Yes, to teach. You know what? Since been a while now, I've been procrastinating on how to start teaching people on to my notch. I am a fashion designer. I have motive. How will I put the English? I have that urge to assist people, tutor them on basic patterns of dressmaking. I'm a fashion designer that both outfit. I make male outfit and I make female outfit. Yes. Yes, I make both outfits. So I'll be dropping tutorial regarding that, on how to make a shirt, trouser, native wear, blouse, just name it. Either corporate wear or our Owambe. Yes, I will be dropping it. And fila. If you check my YouTube, if you check this YouTube channel, I have dropped two tutorial. I dropped a tutorial then. Yes, I dropped a tutorial then. When I was making that video, excuse me. When I was making that video, I did not know that when you're to make YouTube videos, you are to put your video in large scale. Yes, I didn't know. So I actually made that video with a portrait cam, as in it was a portrait video. So when I was like when I uploaded it was somehow, and I'm not going to delete that video. I will not at all. It's going to be there for me to it's there for me to remind myself grown. Do you understand? How I have improved and how I started, the mistake I made. So I'll be leaving the video there. But still I will still be dropping a new tutorial on how to make cap, because it's something that fetch people money. Like you can make like 6 cap a day. I'm not exaggerating it. It depends on how fast you are. So I'll be dropping videos, and I know that this is going to assist and help us one way or the other. You can actually still drop on the comment section. You can drop on the comment section the videos, the tutorial you want me to be making. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly like my video. This is to support me, the new YouTuber. I don't have much subscribers. Kindly please like my video. Kindly please subscribe to my channel. So please, I beg you, I am begging you, please kindly like my video. And if you want me to drop any video, any tutorial that you might like, kindly put it on the comment section. Let me know. That's first of all introduction. And guys, don't procrastinate. It was procrastination that made me stay this far before I started. But alhamdulillah, I have started. Love you guys, and see you next in my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah.